Part 2 of the Toastess 1-cup coffee maker. Already it's still brewing. And, yeah, it's still taking its time. But clearly. What can you expect? Heck, I could go upstairs, make myself something to eat, and I come back down here and it's all done. Or just check a few emails, and that's it. And smart thing that I stopped that clock, because really, I can't stand that son of a bitch going off all the time. You know, you guys might be asking me this. If you got the clock, and if you don't like it going off all the time, why did you buy it? Well, I'm trying to ask myself that question too. Why did I buy a clock? And it would chime all the time. Well, this one, the chimer will eventually unwind itself after going off so many times. And I could wind it up if I want to or not. And all it will do is just tick-tock, and that's it. But, you know, I always wanted a working clock, and this is my very first one. So, you know, I'm happy for what I can get. Now, the tea looks very, very weak, but once I stir it in, it'll be fine. I hope I didn't put too much water in. Okay, no I didn't. Oh, shit. Little bugger. Yeah, do it again, Tyler. Jeez. You think I would learn the first time, but I'm too stupid. That really hurt. And, oh. Come on, bitch, I want my coffee. Wait, no, tea. Oh, I almost spilled that too. You done or not? Every time when I move the damn cup, it keeps pouring in more. Is it done? Are you? Okay. Oh, jeez. Scared the shit out of me. Okay, I think you're done. Alright. That spill catcher isn't really efficient. I don't think. You guys dare me to touch that water? See if it's hot or not? Okay. Oh. Yep, that's hot. And there, look at that. I gotta figure out what the hell am I gonna throw the tea out in. Oh! Son of a bitch. I'm gonna have to get used to this thing, because if it keeps making those pops, I think I might be on the floor having a heart attack. Me at my old age. I gotta get the garbage can. And, yeah. I don't know if this will cause any mold issues, but if it does, well, it's in the garbage bin. Gonna add a little bit of milk. I hope I didn't pour too much in there. Oh, okay. I don't want to make it too cloudy. Just gonna get some sugar. I don't want to double dip the spoon into sugar, because if I want to add some sugar to my coffee, whoa, I don't want to have tea in my coffee. Okay. I'm gonna try this tea out. Surprisingly good. So yeah, I didn't even have to pay for this thing. Thank you, Grandma. Really appreciate it. I saved like 20 to 25 bucks on a kettle. And besides, this thing tops everything off. I think this is one of the usefulest items I've ever had in this bedroom. Oh. Yeah, try not to get my hand, please. The only thing I don't like is the not so convenient spill catcher. I gotta figure out what other... Ow! Little fucker. I gotta figure out... I gotta figure out which cups to put on this thing, because I'm not sure. Like, this is the original coffee mug that came with it. But I kind of want to put my Looney Tunes coffee mug on here. Or, what else is there? My blue coffee mug. But anyway, this has been the review of the Toastess 1-cup coffee maker. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me get burned 2 times and... Oh, no, wait, 3 times. No, 4 times. Because the 2 times I put my fingers in there. This 3rd time, dunking my finger in. The 4th time was trying to get the spill catcher out. So, yeah. Well, thanks for watching, everybody, and I'm going to enjoy my tea before it gets cold, because there's only one disadvantage about this thing. It can't keep it hot. So, it's either let it sit and get cold, or you'll have to make a trip upstairs and heat it up.